Housecall Pro is built to manage scheduling, dispatching, and day-to-day field jobs, while QuickBooks is built to track income, expenses, and taxes, so they solve two completely different parts of a contractor's business. By the end of this, you'll know which one fits your workflow, what each tool is actually designed to handle, and when it makes sense to use them together instead of picking just one. Housecall Pro is focused on running your jobs. QuickBooks is focused on tracking your money. The real decision comes down to whether your biggest problem is operations or accounting. Housecall Pro handles the work happening in the field. That includes booking jobs, assigning technicians, sending updates to customers, and tracking job progress from start to finish. This matters because most service businesses spend their day coordinating work, not reviewing financial reports. QuickBooks handles the financial side. That includes invoicing, expense tracking, and organizing income, so you can see how your business is performing over time. This matters because it helps you understand profit, costs, and tax obligations in a structured way. Housecall Pro is designed for daily activity. Your team can see their schedule, update job status, and communicate job progress without relying on phone calls or manual coordination. QuickBooks is designed for record keeping. It organizes transactions, so you can see where money is coming from and where it is going. The biggest difference shows up in how each tool is used. Housecall Pro is something your technicians interact with all day, while QuickBooks is usually used after jobs are completed or by an office manager or accountant. Trying to use QuickBooks as a scheduling tool usually leads to limitations because it isn't built for dispatching or real-time job coordination. Using Housecall Pro alone can leave gaps in detailed financial tracking unless it's connected to an accounting system. That's why many service businesses end up using both, Housecall Pro to manage jobs and QuickBooks to manage finances. When deciding between them, the key question is simple. Are your biggest problems happening in the field or in your financial records? If you're dealing with missed appointments, unclear scheduling, or poor technician coordination, Housecall Pro solves more of your daily issues. If you're struggling with tracking expenses, understanding profit, or organizing tax information, QuickBooks is the stronger foundation. A practical next step is to look at where your business slows down the most. If it's during job scheduling and communication, prioritize Housecall Pro. If it's during bookkeeping and financial clarity, prioritize QuickBooks. If this helped you understand the difference, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward breakdowns of service business software.